time, and Avatar stands as the biggest movie of all time. The next installment, Avatar: The Way of Water, is coming out this December, and I promise you, it's like nothing you've ever seen before. And to share more, direct from New Zealand, please join me in welcoming Jim Cameron. Hi, Jim.
Hey, Alan, how you doing?
It's going great. I know you can't be here because you're finishing up the film. Can you tell us how it's going?
Well, it's going great, and the stuff coming in from What It Digital, the VFX are looking spectacular. So right now, it's pretty hectic around here. We're finishing up, as you know, a 5-year production cycle that started. We started capture and photography in September of 17. So this has been a bit of an odyssey, shooting and capturing for movie 2, movie 3, and the first part of movie 4. Because this is a bigger saga that's told over a series of films. So we're super excited to be finally finishing up movie 2. I know everybody's been waiting a long time. Hopefully you'll see something today and you'll be able to decide whether it's all been worth it. We also, it's been very hectic around here because we remastered Avatar, the first film, for a whole new generation of movie fans coming up that never got to see it in a theater, which, as we both agree, is exactly the place it should be seen. So 4K remaster in 3D, obviously, 48 frames per second, high dynamic range, Atmos 9.1 sound OLED. It looks and sounds better than it's ever looked, and it's coming out in a couple of weeks. So hopefully that will be the drum roll and remind people about the story and the world and so on as we go into the release of Avatar: The Way of Water on December 16th.
All very exciting. Now, I know you brought some special guests. Would you like to bring them out?
Sure. So I'd like to call up to the stage Jon Landau, my producing partner on Titanic and Avatar and recent films.
Howdy, Jim.
Howdy, John. And our amazing, some of my dearest friends, our amazing cast, Zoe Saldana, Sam Worthington, come on up, guys, Sigourney,
Well, thank you, Jim, and it's great to be here with everybody at D23. And I thought I'd start off by sort of just asking a couple questions of our cast. So Steve, I'm going to start with you. Your character died in the first film. How did you feel when you found out that you were coming back to be a part of the sequels?
Well, you can't keep a good Marine down, I guess. So, yeah, he just regrouped in hell. I was shocked, I was thrilled, I was delighted, I was absolutely amazed. And I guess standing here is the first time I actually believe it happened. Here I am. Also to be reunited with this team, with Jim and such an amazing group of colleagues, both in front of and behind the camera. What an honor, what a thrill.
So Sam and Zoe, your characters in these sequels have become parents. And both of you in real life, since we made the first movie, have become parents. So how does it feel now to play parents on screen?
Just to clarify, we didn't have kids with each other.
We did not. Even though, between both of us, we have 6 boys. So we basically have a soccer team back at home. But what was your question?
How does it feel to play parents on screen now that you are parents?
I think that, the whole movie deals with this protecting of family and protecting of familiar love, and not only on many levels, like the communal family that you choose. And so I think that, we've all gone through COVID and realized that that currency of love and being with your family is it's paramount to what life is. And so I think that's what we're fighting for. We put that into the movie.
Wow.
It was beautiful. It was beautiful to see what Jim had done to this beautiful relationship between Jake Sully and Neytiri. And obviously, when we ended in part 1, they chose each other and they fought together. And so the continuation of that bond meant that they were going to grow as a family. They were going to have a family.
There you go.
But they did.
Now, speaking of having a family, joining this incredible cast that we had on the first Avatar is an incredibly talented group of young actors, and I'd like to bring some of them out right now. So I'd like to introduce Bailey. Oh, Sigourney. I forgot your question. Not bad.
How it comes out. Well, actually, he did kind of introduce me because I'm one of the Sully kids. I'm one of the family, and that has been one of the most awesome adventures I could ever hope to have, especially with this particular Avatar family. It's been a real honor and a thrill.
It's been great to have you a part of that. And you get to play a character that you never thought you would get to play.
Only Jim is crazy enough to have written this character for me, and I'm so grateful and so excited.
So now, to bring out our young cast, we have Bailey Bass, Trinity Bliss, Jack Champion, and Jamie Flatters. Say hello to the D23 group, everybody.
Hi.
So Jim, I'm going to take this opportunity to throw it back to you in New Zealand. And I think you have something else that you want to share with everybody.
Well, we figured everybody's been waiting such a long time to, to finally see something. So since everybody's together there, all our film fans and we've got the cast right there. Why don't we show you some scenes from the movie? So right now what we're going to do is we're going to turn Hall D into a 3D movie theater. We're going to pass out Dolby 3D glasses to everyone. And D23 Expo, you are going to be the first audience to get a sneak peek at a few scenes from Avatar: The Way of Water. And you'll be watching them right alongside Jon and our cast. So head back to Pandora and enjoy.
All right, let's go on.